Greetings English language learners. Welcome back to TEF YouTube channel. Today we are discussing an essential aspect of agreement using the versatile terms so and neither. Before we proceed, let's establish a clear understanding of what agreement entails in English. Agreement occurs when we respond to a question or a statement in a way that aligns with what has been said. So and neither are powerful tools used to express agreement and disagreement concisely and effectively. Imagine a scenario where your friend says, "I love reading books." You share the same sentiment and want to express your agreement. You can respond with, "So do I." Let's break it down. So signifies the agreement and do I confirms that you share the same sentiment or the action. Let's expand our examples to include group agreement. Imagine your friend says, "We are excited about the upcoming trip." You can respond to it, "So are we." Oh, and it is essential to pick the correct auxiliary verb according to the tense of the initial statement and your subject. Take a look at this example. My grandpa reads the newspaper every day. So does my father. Here, the initial statement, which is "my grandpa reads the newspaper every day," is in simple present tense. And Noriko wants to say that her father also reads the newspaper every day. So Noriko's father is a singular subject, therefore she picks the auxiliary verb does. If she wanted to say that both her mother and father read the newspaper every day, she would pick do. So do my parents. Now let's consider a situation where your friend states, "I don't enjoy horror movies." You also share this dislike and wish to express your concurrence. You can respond with, "Neither do I." By using so and neither appropriately in your conversations, you can effectively convey agreement with others. Practice integrating these expressions into your dialogues to enhance your English communication skills. That wraps up today's lesson. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful English lessons in future. Until next time, happy learning!